get audio, I guess. Trestles go together like so. The lower spanner part. The plank assembly has two little fins on it that fit into those slots in the top of the trestle. Get the trestle like so, and then one drops in the wedges on the ends to tighten it up. And there's 4 little pins, 2 at each end, that lock the top plank assemblies onto the trestles. So they fit in little holes right up underneath, like so. So then press everything in hand tight, and there it is. The design inspiration for it came from 2 different pieces of post-World War II Japanese product design. One was a bench fairly similar, and the other was the iconic butterfly stool that has 2 pieces of molded plywood that form what look like butterfly wings. And the butterfly stool in particular has an open air space between the 2 halves. So that kind of gave inspiration to the seam between the 2 top planks, and some of the form of it, particularly this profile right here that kind of comes like an hourglass, comes in at the center and back out. So that's that. Those 2 that are sitting on the workbench at the moment are both cherry mostly. And the wedge parts in both cases are wenge, which is an African wood. It's super hard, which makes it good for using as a wedge.